Welcome to our video comparing two of the latest Intel processors. Today, we're going to compare the Intel Core i5-12600K and the Intel Core i3-12100F desktop processors. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i5-12600K clearly outperforms the Intel Core i3-12100F. With 10 cores and a max turbo frequency of 4.9 GHz, the i5-12600K is a powerhouse that can handle demanding applications with ease. On the other hand, the i3-12100F has only 4 cores and a max turbo frequency of 4.3 GHz, which is not as impressive as the i5. It's clear that the i5-12600K is the winner in terms of performance. In terms of price, the Intel Core i3-12100F is significantly cheaper than the i5-12600K. If you're on a tight budget, the i3-12100F could be a suitable option. However, if you're looking for the best performance, you may need to spend a bit more on the i5-12600K. It's important to note that both CPUs are priced differently, but the i5-12600K is far more expensive than the i3-12100F. The Intel Core i5-12600K uses Intel 7 architecture, which offers a more efficient performance per watt. It also provides an improved microarchitecture, which means it's power efficient, unlike the i3-12100F. The i3-12100F uses an older architecture, which is not as efficient as the i5-12600K. The i5-12600K takes the lead when it comes to architecture. And that concludes our comparison of the Intel Core i5-12600K and the Intel Core i3-12100F desktop processors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.